it's me, Justin. It's time for Pokemon. So guys, in this video, we're going to open a Mythical Mew Collection box. And it's gonna come with 2 generation packs. It's a kind of a new set. I think it came out like maybe a week or 2 ago. And it has 83 cards in this set. And it comes with a Mew and a Mew pin. I'm going to read the Mew card. Clairvoyance. Your opponent reveals his or her hand. Psychic, 40 plus. This attack does 10 more damage for each energy attached to your opponent's active Pokemon. And the cute little Mew pin. Alright, let's open it up. Oh, it just dropped. Sorry about that. And this is the 20th anniversary for Pokemon. From all the way for old school cards to probably Generations or Breakpoint. I'm opening it up. Oh, it says celebrate 20 years of Pokemon. Mythical Mew. Oh, look at this. So I think it starts with Mew, Celebi, Jirachi. So that means next is probably going to be Celebi, and then Jirachi, Darkrai, Amphanis, Shaman, Arceus, Victini, Keldeo, Genesect, and Meloetta. Not bad. And there's Mew. All of those mythical and legendary Pokemon. I'm going to put that right there. Alright, now let's get the packs on the Mew card. Page. Alright, there's the stuff. So this Generations for Pikachu. If you guys haven't heard of Generations, there's Blastoise pack, Pikachu pack, and there's a code card. I'll put that there. There's a cute little Mew. I like the artwork of it. I love the artwork. He looks so happy and cute. Alright. Try to drop something. That's all, guys. Sorry. Oh, there's a cute Mew pin. Really cute. Alright, let's start with Blastoise. Evolution of War Turtle. Hopefully we get something good. Some of the cards of the EXs have like flowers beside them. They look beautiful. So guys, we have a Water Energy. It looks really nice. Magikarp. Ponyta. Machop. Floral Crown. It's pretty good. Just put that there. Dodio Reverse Hollow. Red card. Haunter. Oh, a Pikachu. It looks nice. Thumbs up. Beautiful card. Now so flip a coin if heads, your opponent's active Pokemon is now paralyzed. Quick attack 20 plus. Flip a coin if heads, attack does 10 more damage. Beautiful art. I love that. And the Zapdos full art. Not bad. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Just gonna put the cute Pikachus beside. Oh, just put that right there. And Zapdos full art. Drill Peck 20, Raging Thunder 120. The attack does 40 damage to one of your benched Pokemon. Doesn't feel really full arty. Not bad for that pack. Not bad. Alright. Pikachu pack. Oh, we got another good card in it. Got 2 good cards. Or beautiful. Oh yes. Oh, I didn't know. I thought there's no packs. Wow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Didn't know there's. All right, but guys, we have Caterpie, Clefairy, Ponyta, Magikarp, Reverse Hollow red card, Snorunt, and there's a couple of a flower there, like on the Floor Charm. That's my cat, guys. Alright, and a double colors energy. Maintenance. A Wally reverse holo. I love the art of it with this cute little art. Vaults for his first Pokemon. And 3 stars there. And a Jinx non-holo rares. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And have an awesome day. Time for Pokemon out.